Working with different documents simultaneously in Photoshop is quite common. One of the reasons why we might want to work with different documents at the same time would be to copy information from one file and paste into the other to make a composition, for example. For us to see how to manage different document windows, I will open 3 different images. Any image from your computer will serve, but if you want, you can download the image that I made available for download in this lesson. To open the images, we can either click the Open button in the Start Workspace, or we can go to the File menu and click Open. Now, just navigate to the folder where the images are, select them, and click Open. When we do this, the 3 images will be opened in Photoshop, and each of them get its own document window. And each document window can be activated through these tabs up here. We can activate a tab simply by clicking it, or we can use the Ctrl-Tab shortcut to switch between the different tabs. If you want to change the order of the documents, just click and drag the tabs over each other. And if we want to see the different documents at the same time, we can click on the Window menu, Arrange, and choose one of these organization layouts. If you want to go back to the original layout with the documents overlaid in a single area, just go to Window, Arrange, and click on Consolidate All to Tabs. This way, the tabs organization returns to the initial format. Another way we manage to position the windows is simply by clicking and dragging the tabs out of the tab region. This way, we can position each document window in the way we want. We can even move these windows to other screens if our computer has more than one monitor. We can also scale, maximize, and minimize the documents. To restore the minimized documents, we must leave the cursor over the Photoshop icon in the operating system bar and click on the thumbnail of the document that we want to restore. And to close the document, just click on the X from the top corner of the document window itself, be it in the floating window or in the tab of the document if it's docked in the interface.